Hi friends, today I want to show you a quick fix for noise problem in PAM8610 amplifier board. So this is connected to a generic Bluetooth module. So the signal is actually the input actually comes from a Bluetooth module. And when I switched on, and it is powered by a 12 volt 2 amp DC supply, and when I switched this on, I was getting some crackling noise through my speakers. Also, even when it is announcing that the Bluetooth is connected, I was hearing that noise. And in order to fix it, I was doing a lot of trial and errors, and I was initially thinking that it could be a ground looping problem. But all the grounds were connected properly, but still I was getting that crackling noise. So the actual sound was was also having some more noise to it. So to fix it, the first thing that I did was, to the 12 volt supply I connected a 22 microfarad as you can see here, sorry, a 100 microfarad capacitor, 63 volt capacitor, to the plus and minus ports, and this actually reduced the noise a lot. Not sure if what was causing the noise. It could be the 5 volt step down buck converter. This one is actually getting the 12 volt. The same 12 volt is supplied to the buck converter to produce the 5 volt for the Bluetooth module. Okay, not sure if that was generating the noise, but the addition of this 100 microfarad capacitor fixed it. And also, even after I added this one at higher volumes, I was still getting some problems with the speakers, and to cut that out, I have added this capacitors here. So this is a 1 microfarad capacitor joint in the negative, and then added to the positives are added to the right in and the left in, as you can see here. Okay, so the minus is going to the ground. Okay, so both the minus are joint merged and then connected to the ground of this one, which is the center pin here, and the right in and the right the left in, both are connected to the positive of the capacitors. And this has actually fixed the issue a lot. It really sounds nice now. So this might help you also. Thank you guys.